Okay, so welcome to step one of iMovie. Now that your narration is complete and printed and your images are in a file on your desktop, you're going to open up iMovie and hit File, New Project to create your project. Choose No Theme and then name your project Pan Am 103 underscore. Put your last name, so for example Smith, underscore, put your first name, I'll put Jane, and then underscore again and your group designation. So for example, if Jane Smith is a London 88 alum, I'll put 88. If she's a faculty staff, I'll put FS, and so forth. All of these designations are in the digital storytelling guide. And then just make sure you're on widescreen and 30 frames per second NTSC. And make sure that the automatically add cross dissolve is chosen. You've got lots of different transition choices, but I think this will work nicely for this project. And then hit create. And then you really want to put your editing screen down here, so you could always just flip-flop that using that swap events and projects button. And then hit File once more, Project Properties, and just make sure that Ken Burns is selected from this drop-down menu, and Applies when added to project is selected. And hit OK. Ken Burns is just a photo movement that is kind of nice. It adds some interest to your movie. Open up your images file. And then all you're going to do is click on an image. And as you click, you'll drag until you see the green bar. And let go. And the image will appear in your editing screen. So you're going to go ahead and just add all of your photos to the editing screen, like such. Now don't worry if these aren't in the exact order that you want them in. iMovie is pretty forgiving that way. What you can do is just simply click, for example, on an image that you want to move. So say, for example, this image here, I want to move to the beginning. I'll choose it by clicking on it, see the yellow outline, and then I'll hover over the image till I see the hand. And then I'll click and drag it until I put it in the spot where I want it. So in the beginning, I put it there and let go, and there it is. So that is the first step in creating your iMovie. Next, you're going to learn how to create title slides.